Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to see replies on Threads. So, first thing that you will do is simply download the Threads application and of course open the application. And once you open it up, just simply go ahead and go to the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, you should be able to see here your replies on a thread. So guys, it will be just the same thing on the other people as well. As you can see, I am on the home page, and let's say I'm gonna select this one, the first account. And after that, you should be able to see here the replies tab as well over here. And you should be able to see the replies on threads. So there you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And we'll try our best to answer your question. And thanks for watching. See ya.